Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix this Snapchat camera problem. So guys, when you open your Snapchat and facing the issue that camera not open, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, here you can see I am opening my Snapchat app and you can see here that camera is not opening. To use Snapchat, please allow access to your camera. So guys, if you have this type of problem, then I'll help you how to fix this. So guys, first of all, you need to go back, and guys, the first option is you need to open your settings in your phone, and after this you need to find here app management. So guys, here you can see simply you need to click on it, and guys, after this you need to click on app list, and after doing this, here you need to find Snapchat app. So guys, wait for a few seconds to finding Snapchat. So guys, here you can see Snapchat app is here. So guys, simply you need to click on Snapchat, and guys, after this, here you can see the option of permissions. So guys, you need to click on it, and guys, you will find the option of camera. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and here you can see guys, camera is don't allow in this permission. So guys, you need to allow only while using the app. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and guys, after going back, guys, after going back, you need to open your Snapchat camera now. And guys, you can see that camera is successfully open now. And guys, if you still not open your camera and facing this issue still, then guys, you need to open your settings again. And guys, after this, you need to scroll it down, click on app management, click on app list. And guys, here you need to find Snapchat app. So guys, after it you need to click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. And guys, after doing this you need to go back and guys update your Snapchat app. So guys, how can you update? Simply you need to open your Play Store, and guys, here you need to search Snapchat. And guys, after searching it you need to click on it Snapchat. And guys, here you can see the option of update. So guys, simply you need to update your app from here. And guys, after updating, all the problems will be fixed and you will be able to open your camera on Snapchat. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.